wanna be here anymore. No need to know what's in store, nor the score, any route. I just want the fuck out. Helicopters and sirens, chopping up my dreams. Volatile winds carry apathetic screams, and reality keeps ripping at my seams. Another day dodging barbed words, carried in talons by twisted blackbirds. Kept me down yet, and I'm willing to bet there's no reason to fret. My future is in sight. Recounting lessons learned in every bridge burned, every undeserved slight. Spent too much time clouding the times I've been right. Set my sights on the fight to new heights. 2 more days collecting powered words, carried in claws by evolving blackbirds. And like I've been reincarnated, enveloping those who've hated, berated. The ones never say it, those that need manually sedated. The system's pushing me to succeed, warnings to heed, status to bleed. My power is freedom. New goal, close your loophole, eat your system and crash your soul. Nothing has kept me down yet, and I'm willing to bet there's no reason to fret. My future isn't set. Recounting lessons learned in every bridge burned, every undeserved slight. Spent too much time clouding the times I've been right. Set my sights on the fight to new heights. 2 more days collected power words, carried in claws by evolving blackbirds. Enlightened like a buried. Close your loophole, eat your system and crash your soul. New goal, close your loophole, eat your system and crash your soul.